Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Bulldog WD20 Auto Scrubber. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it'll help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Your brush deck is damaged and you got to replace it. It's super simple. First, go ahead and unhook your batteries. Now what we want to do is we want to remove the positive and negative cables from the brush motor. Next, we're going to go ahead and remove these 3 Allen bolts using a 14 mil socket and a 6 mil Allen key. Just like that. And now you can slide the deck out from under the machine. Just like that. Now that the brush deck is exposed, if your motor is good, you can go ahead and reuse the bracket and the motor. You just have to take it off the old brush deck to install it on your new brush deck, which we will show you how to do in a later video. Putting the brush deck back on, go ahead and take it the same way it came off. Slide it back under the machine. Make sure it's lined up. Reinstall the Allen bolts. Go ahead and take the lock nuts and tighten those back down. Now what we want to do is we want to reattach the positive and negative wires to your brush motor. Last but not least, plug the batteries back in, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below, or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe, and thanks for watching.